Hi, I'm Christine. Welcome to my channel, Learn to Speak Filipino. Are you looking forward to your lesson today? Sorry, pasensya na po. Wala po akong lesson for you. I do not have a lesson for you today because I uploaded 4 videos last Monday for you. The 4 videos I uploaded were about greetings, saying thank you, kumusta ka, and the fourth one is a surprise. So what's the difference? Why did I have those videos again? I gave the explanation for the formal and casual tone, the distinction between kayo and ka, uh, and other uses of pronouns in order to get the formal and or casual context. So the fourth one, you have to search into the video playlist. I will put all the links in the description. I hope you watch them all. Salamat po. See you next week.